Okay, let's start with question number 3. Very important. It's Trigo. Let's see word problem. A boat is approaching a cliff with a lighthouse on top. Okay, so this is a cliff and this is a lighthouse on the top. And the boat is approaching a cliff, right? So that means the diagram somewhat looks like this. Let's see. The cliff is 100 meters high. So I can say this is 100 meters high, right? Then, and the lighthouse is 30 meters tall. So that this is 30 meters tall. And if I have to calculate total, it is 130. Okay. So in short, cliff is 100 meters, lighthouse is 30, and the overall is 130. Then it says the angle of elevation from the boat. So this is the boat to the top of the lighthouse, right? To the top of the lighthouse means is this one, is 20 degrees. Okay. Then it says draw the diagram of the above situation, label properly. So we have done that. This is the cliff 100, this is lighthouse 30, this is angle of elevation from the boat to the right top of the lighthouse, which is 20 degrees. And also label means this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent and this is opposite, right? And also not only this diagram, you can see that they will ask you to even कैलकुलेट यहाँ से एंगल टॉप ऑफ द क्लिप से बोट तक का भी. तो ये भी आपने ज्वाइन किया, आपने डायग्राम में भी देखा होगा. हियर दिस इज ऑल्सो ज्वाइंट. ओके, सिंपल. 3.1. Then it says 3.2, calculate the distance of the boat to the base of the cliff. To the base of the cliff means here. That means this is the base of the cliff, right? And this is the boat. So they are saying calculate the distance. It's very easy, super simple. What you need to do is you need to see this particular triangle, the big one. Okay, and this is 20, right? And opposite is how much in total? Opposite is 130. And adjacent you need to calculate. So which Trigo formula we can use? We can use tan, opposite and adjacent. So tan 20 is equals to tan 20 is equals to, this is TOA. So opposite is how much? 130. Adjacent is not given, right? And adjacent you write here and you calculate tan 20 from the calculator. So you're getting tan 20 is, let me see, tan 20 you need to calculate. So tan 20 is coming out to be 0.3639 and so on. So 0.363, 3 digits तक आपने निकाला. अब आपको जब adjacent निकालना है, ठीक है, आप या तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So adjacent is equals to 0.363 into adjacent is equals to 130. So adjacent is equals to 130 upon 0.363. So 130 upon 0.363, which is 3.358.126, right? 358 or 357, whatever they are getting. So it is correct. They have taken up to 3 digits, that's why we are getting this. You can also use this particular method that you can just write like this. You just cross multiply without putting value. So tan 20 into adjacent is equals to 130. So adjacent is equal to 130 upon tan 20. Then also you'll get the answer. Okay. So we have calculated adjacent, which is 250, 357 as per this. Angle of elevation from the boat to the top of the cliff. I told you na that they will calculate this as well. So that's why diagram में भी show करो. Right. Top of the cliff ये है और boat से angle. That means you need to calculate this. So we'll use a small triangle. Small triangle में we have opposite as how much? This is 100. Adjacent हमने निकाल लिया 357. So tan theta we don't know. Opposite is 100 upon adjacent 357. So theta is equal to tan inverse 100 upon 357. We'll put in calculator, right? We'll do 100 upon 357 and theta we will have 15.64 we are getting. After this you need to solve one practice sheet. Okay, and then I'll check that work based on question number 3 only. So I'll just show it to you. You can take a screenshot of this. This is practice 2. Yeah, this is practice 3. Take a screenshot of this. This is question number 1. This is same. Okay, in the first one it says draw the diagram, right? Then take a screenshot again. It says distance of the person from the base of the tower. Then 1.3 angle of elevation. So it is based on that same question only. Even angle may they have helped. Okay, so this is one. Then another question, take a screenshot. Question number 2. In first you need to draw the diagram. Then take a screenshot. Distance of the car again from the base. Then angle of elevation. Take a screenshot quickly. And then we have these answers. You can take a screenshot, and if you don't get any answer correct, you can just send it to me. I'll check.